Welcome to this mathematics tutorial. Today, we will solve a system of equations. Let's begin with our problem. We need to find the values of x and y when the ordered pair x minus 1, y plus 2 equals y minus 2, 2x plus 1. When we have ordered pairs that are equal, this means their corresponding components must be equal. From the first components, we can write x minus 1 equals y minus 2. And from the second components, we can write y plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. Let's rearrange these equations into standard form. From the first equation, adding negative y to both sides, we get x minus y equals negative 1. From the second equation, subtracting y from both sides, and rearranging, we get 2x minus y equals 1. Now we can solve this system by subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. 2x minus y minus parentheses x minus y equals 1 minus negative 1. This simplifies to 2x minus y minus x plus y equals 2. The y terms cancel out, and we're left with x equals 2. Now that we know x equals 2, we can substitute this back into equation 1. 2 minus y equals negative 1. Adding y to both sides, we get y equals 3. Let's verify our solution by checking both original equations. For the first equation, when x equals 2 and y equals 3, 2 minus 1 equals 3 minus 2, which is true since 1 equals 1. For the second equation, 3 plus 2 equals 2 times 2 plus 1, which is also true since 5 equals 5. Therefore, our solution is x equals 2 and y equals 3. We can write this as the ordered pair 2, 3. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more math content.